Welcome to World's Classic and Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer this 2017 Porsche Macan 3-litre GTS. It's a one-owner car, ordered from Porsche Mayfair, finished in optional Carmine Red, which is the darker of the reds. It's covered 6,400 miles from new. It's registered May 2017 and it's a nicely optioned car and it's been privately owned and used. It's on the standard black RS Spyder 20-inch wheels. You'll notice the side blades are colour coded, which gives them a lot more lift. The car has got privacy glass, as you can see. Optional, you can't see it, it's got a 75 litre increased fuel tank. Front and rear park sensors, reversing camera. Inside the back there you'll see it's immaculate. Power tailgate obviously. Most importantly, two main options on this car. It's got the panoramic glass roof and also it's got the sports chrono there. You see there the mileage 6,463. Start the car. It's got Garnet Red seat belts. It's got the 18-way adaptive seats, folding mirrors, memory seats, piano black finish, the Alcantara and leather trim. In the back, the mats down there never been sat in. So inside the car, we'll flip in, close the door. It's got the navigation module, the map there. The sport chrono dial is in Garnet Red, as are the rev counter and speedo dial. It's got a multifunction steering wheel. Phone Bluetooth is already there because it just went off. Down the centre, dual climate control, heated seats, which is actually an option. It's got the sports exhaust. It's got Sport and Sport Plus, damper control there. It's in beautiful condition, special order car, just about the right level of specification without making it so expensive. So if you are interested in this car, it's got the balance of the manufacturer's warranty, it doesn't need service until May 2019. Please give us a call on 01507 606 725. Thank you.